Today, I'm reviewing the Rode PodMic, and you're hearing the audio directly from this microphone. The Rode PodMic is a dynamic microphone perfect for podcasting and broadcasting. It has a built-in pop filter, but I recommend you get a separate pop filter because the audio just sounds so much better. It's built like a tank with its solid all-metal construction, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. Now, the sound quality is top-notch. It delivers a rich and warm sound that makes your voice stand out. Whether you're podcasting, streaming, or recording, the PodMic ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. It's also incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. No complicated settings or additional equipment needed. Overall, the Rode PodMic offers fantastic sound quality, durability, and ease of use, all at an affordable price. So if you're looking to up your audio game, this right here is a great choice.